Baking is the key process, a bakery production line, which decides the quality of the product. A complete bakery line comprises of continuous oven, continuous proofer and spiral cooler. The hourly yield can be between 24,000 to 60,000 pieces of burger buns per hour. The working temperature is in a range of 195 degrees Celsius and 230 degrees Celsius, and the baking time is adjustable from 10 to 30 minutes. It is suitable for automatic and mass production of bread, biscuits, laminated pastries and the likes. The in-feed and out-feed conveyors match the continuous oven speed, which is PLC controlled. The trays are secured to the chain, which is fitted with heat-resistant magnets. The track is fully welded, that gives smooth joints and long track life. No foreign material may drop from the track to contaminate the food. The food safety and hygiene is guaranteed. The chain tensioner maintains proper chain tension by pulling a pneumatically activated steel string at the track curve section. The tensioning is regulated by the proximity sensors that monitor pneumatic cylinders' movement and controlled by PLC. The central burner control system is placed on the ceiling. The gas and air are mixed in precise proportion with regulating valves. The burners can provide best combustion. The forced convection air system sucks in hot air from the top of the oven and distributes it through a pipe system located on the track to quickly remove moisture and improve the baking quality and product appearance. After the burner is turned off, the circulating fan keeps running until the airflow cools to below 90 degrees Celsius. The special cleaning device uses the high-pressure air production process to blow and clean the pallet rack in real time, to ensure that the pallet rack entering the warehouse is clean and free of debris. When the baking process is over, the ventilator fans vent the hot air quickly. During the baking process, the ventilation airflow can be adjusted to provide even baking atmosphere. The insulated enclosure features tongue and groove joints and heat-resistant rock wool insulation. The ceiling and floor panels have reinforcing ribs to increase the strength and prevent any deformation and bending. The oven is fitted with two sealed doors to prevent heat loss. The control system is programmed with color graphs, trending screens, diagnoses and data log. The combustion gas system is equipped with safety interlocking devices and control valves. These devices are controlled by the flame monitoring system and temperature controller to maintain the temperature inside the oven and provide a safe operation. The ceiling panels also provide the mounting base for other fittings. There is floating panel in the middle. They float to relieve the pressure if it exceeds the allowable pressure. The burners are aligned with the chain to ensure even baking across the oven. The temperature elevation curve is optimal. The combustion system meets the highest gas standard. Varied baking temperature can be achieved for different area inside the oven, so to suit the specific baking requirements for various products. The baking time and temperature can be set to match the specific product's baking requirement. Here come the tempting, tasty and fluffy buns from the oven. The bread is baked in design time, 100% baked with even color and moist loss less than 8%. The taste and texture are just right.